doing today? I'm excited that you're here. I am so excited because we are here to talk about the giveaway. The giveaway. This is specific and germane to what's going on with the giveaway. That's what we're talking about today. People have been chiming in, asking me on social media, and I don't want anybody to be vague. I don't want there to be any doubt that you are not clear about this giveaway. I'm excited about it, you guys. I'm excited about it. Let me just say, it is to grow my channel. It's a membership drive, as it were. Subscribers united, coming together. It's to build my channel giveaway. And not only that, once we reach our goal, we're going to go live to announce the winner. You have to be present to win on my live. And so we're going to fill it up with everybody that obey the rule. I want to cover the rules. I'm going to post them down in the comment section. All you have to do is follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you'll be entered into the drawing. You automatically, if you follow the rules, you'll get one drawing. But you can get you can get one entry, but you get a bonus entry if you do some of the other things that I'm about to share with you. So let's cover the beginning. I've already showed you what the giveaway is. And I'm excited for you guys. Right now, I'm a little, maybe a little over 700 subscribers right now. But every day I'm growing because I think I've married the analytics and I think I've gotten it down right, and I've been listening to a lot of people helping me. So, well, it's not a large amount, but I like to read, I like to study, and I want to do what the instructions say do. And usually you reap the rewards of that. All right, so now, number one, you have to be a subscriber on my channel to be even considered in the drawing. Okay, number two, you have to like on this video. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. No ambiguity with it anymore. We're going to utilize this video as the marker. Like, comment, subscribe. And then number two, that's the first thing you do. Number two, you have to share it on at least one other of your social media sites that I'm on and tag me in it. Okay, that's number two. Number three, you have to email me, and you email me at bossmoves020@gmail.com. In the email, I need to have your name, your contact information, your YouTube channel name, and how many subscribers you have. This is for people with 1,500 or less subscribers. Why 1,500 or less is the magic number for this giveaway? Because that's the target of what I'm shooting for to actually do the drawing. 1,500. Don't have to wonder anymore. Once we hit 1,500, the week that we hit the 1,500, we're already going to be ready to go with the live. And we'll be commenting that whole week up until that Friday, letting you know when we're going live so that you could be present. You have to be, which I believe is the fourth thing, present on the live to win. So once we announce the winner, if you are not on the live, then we'll just simply go to the next person that's on the live. Nothing wrong with me allowing you to understand and be clear of what the rules are. If you're not clear, just rewind this video and you'll be clear. It's for membership, my subs, my subscribers. And what do I want my subscribers to do? I want them to be organic and germane to me. I want you to genuinely be a part of what we're doing here at Boss Moves 2.0. Listen, we don't want you to uh, um, subscribe with dummy channels. We want you to be a legitimate individual, a growing YouTuber. I started to do the drawing for under 1,000, but since my goal my short-term goal is to have 1,500. I say 1,500 or less, and we'll verify your channel and verify the ownership. So it may take us a little time, but be patient with us. But the giveaway is on and popping. It's a giveaway. Boss Moves 2.0. It's a giveaway. And it's to help you build your channel. The tripod, the camera, the memory card, the lenses. It's to make you a unique YouTuber. And we want you to succeed. Everybody may not need a camera. Don't enter. That's what the gift is. Will we be doing other giveaways? Yes. Every month, I would like to have a giveaway. This is the first one, though, in the sea of many, to kick off the giveaways of all giveaways. And we just wanted it to be fantastic. Now, does it cost to enter? No, but my cash app is down below. If you would like to send me a God bless you, do so, do so, do so. Yes, do so. My cash app is down below. But again, thank you. I want you to participate, but I want you to follow the rules. You have to follow all of the rules to be entered into the drawing. Should I say that slower? You have to follow all the rules. Have a great one. See you later. Enter this drawing. Enter the giveaway. Share this video. Have a great day. Before I get started,
That's enough, Pluto.
like and share.